Okay, so I got some volume from those cornrows. I forgot. Welcome to day 17 of my 31-day challenge where I am trying a new product, style, or method on my Sisterlocks. I've been growing my Sisterlocks for almost 12 years now, but I don't do much with my hair anymore. So for the month of December, I'm challenging myself to try something new every single day, and I'm sharing it with you. So subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to follow the series. Today I want to pull out my cornrows, which I've had in for about 48 hours, and I want to do a quick updo that I saw on YouTube. Usually when I want volume to my hair, I do individual twists or braids, but the other night I was way too tired, so I decided to do cornrows and see if that would give me the volume that I'm looking for. I haven't done this in years, so I don't even know what it's gonna look like, what my curls or waves are gonna look like, so let's find out. It's so simple and easy to do those cornrows on the days where you're just not feeling like sitting down for an hour and doing individual twists or braids. And I still got the volume. And actually what's kind of nice about this shortcut is that it's less separating, because I find that, of course, when you do like individual twists or braids, you gotta do so much separating because, yeah, you just have to separate it, and this is just so much easier to separate. Oh man, I love some waves on my locks. I love when my hair looks big. Like, why am I gonna put this up? I just wanna leave this down like this. Here's a full look at the cornrows and how it turned out. Cute, right? For such a low effort style, that took me like 5-10 minutes. I'm really happy with this. Okay, so let's see now about this updo. It's really simple. It's just putting my hair up in like a really high bun, kind of like a pineapple, and I'm gonna have some bangs at the front. Look at my gray hairs. Like the gray hairs are coming in. Okay, so I think I just want to leave this at the front as some bangs. For my updo, I'm thinking I'm gonna use either my new bendable lock hair tie, which I love, or this guy. Let's see which one works. Okay, so it's not really an updo, or is it? I don't know. It's really for me like a high bun, a high side bun with some bangs. What do you think? I use my favorite spiral hair tie and I'm done. So I'm happy with how my cornrow braid out turned out. It did give me the volume that I was looking for. And in the end, I don't know if we're gonna call this an updo. It's really like a high bun, a high side bun. But it's crazy when I look at my hair in different styles to just see how much length it is, because I'm using my favorite spiral hair tie. I have it up and it's still down on my shoulder with, of course, one wanting to run away there. Actually, that looks so thin. I'm gonna cut that. Gone. So I will definitely be doing those cornrows again for those lazy days where I want volume, but I don't have time to do individual twists or braids. Thanks so much for watching this quick video. If you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more. See you tomorrow.